Okay, so here we go. Here comes number 19. And yeah, what is this green stuff? And we got these patterns. Here we go, more patterns. It's red and black and blue and yellow. Alright, patterns over patterns over patterns. Okay. Now what is this? Ah, it's a letter. P-R-R-R. Paradise. Alright. It says paradise. Okay. Aha. Layers. Some layers. Oh, bad camera here. Sorry. Anyways, more layers, but now comes up. Oh, what is this? This looks strange. I hope you know what it is. The stopper comes in a sec. Please write a comment. Here we go. Alright, so here comes the solution, and the solution is magazine. So in this case it's a Vogue magazine. So if you guessed Vogue right, super congratulations, but magazine is completely sufficient. And yeah, so this magazine got like the glossy surface, and inside it got the normal print, of course, and at the outside it got, of course, sheets of papers aligned together. Alright, so let's have a look at the advertisements. It's like the best thing with the Vogue magazine are the advertisements right at the start. So the headliner advertisement is Louis Vuitton, and yeah, the spirit of travel. Alright, so advertisement for these handbags. Then second advertisement is Dior with Jennifer Lawrence and the Black Horse. So the third one is Celine, another handbag for women. It must be very expensive, I guess. Then comes Gucci, and Gucci got this super strange advertisement with this heavily dressed characters on the ship, and it's raining basically, and there are animals on the ship. Alright, and the next one I like the most. This is like the Prada one, because it looks like a nice modern painting with this with this cool couple. You want me to do Vogue advertisement commentary? Let me know. Then we got Patek Philippe Genève. I never heard about this. Must be a watch producer. Alright. So we got next one, Mio Mio. And what is this? A milkshake? She's drinking an interesting drink. Alright. There are tons of advertisement in the beginning. There we got Beyond Purpose. Moncler is the brand. But Beyond Purpose, I don't know, what is Beyond Purpose? Alright. And the last big advertisement is Breitling. Good. This was this. So thanks for watching. Congratulations to everyone who got printed stuff right, especially magazine, and if you got Vogue right, you are like a super champion. And thanks for watching.